Morning guys, it's the day after the MOT. Right, so we're going to have to look at fixing the bits. I'm going to take the headlights out, or we'll take the headlight out and see what the issue with the beam pattern is. But I would also like to thank Derek again. He's always helping us out. He's got a couple of ball joints, so if I had to order them I'd have to wait probably till Monday to get them in. So Derek, you know who you are. Thank you very much. Right, let's crack on. Right, we've got the light out. Just gonna pop this off and make sure it's not something stupid. Alright, so we've just got to turn these two. Let's just come out. And it is something stupid. That's the wrong bulb. Wow. I can't remember changing that. It's passed before. Oh, okay. I've got another bulb somewhere, I think. I'll have a look. Right, I found a bulb. That's the difference. Well, if that is the problem, that's an easy fix. That's in the right place. I'll put it back together, hopefully. That'll be it. Oh, that's an easy one. Right, so that's the offside pattern. That's the one that was okay. That is now the near side pattern. So that's got more defined, I don't know what you call it, kick up on the left. A little bit. Well, it's the right bulb in there now, so hopefully we'll be alright. Nice one. Morning guys. Well, still progressing the bits that the bus failed the MOT on. I've done a few bits already. I'll show you around what I've done. So first of all, driver's side. Got the new lower ball joint in there. That's all buttoned up, ready to go. Passenger side, I've actually done the ball joint. There it is in there. But on rebuilding the brakes, the outer wheel bearing was toast. So being Saturday now, not easy to get one quick. Fortunately, young Derek came to my rescue with a spare one. So thank you, Derek. You're saving me ass again, as per usual. And I've done a bit of welding on that front cross member. Can you see it? Oh, it's hard to see. I can't see it. Where's it gone? Oh, there it is. Oh, so that bit's done. So the next bit I want to progress is, well, get this back together, of course. So we can get the front down, get the back up in the air, do that cross member and the rear brakes. Okie dokie, see you later. Okay, that's the front end all buttoned up. Just got to throw the wheel on, get it off the jack and clear up the mess. Then we move on to the back. Okay, right, I'm under the rear of the bus now. Back brakes, all I did was clean them up and adjusted them. And the adjusting hole, because the auto adjusters are horrible on these and don't work, is just there. Are you going to focus? No, because I'm shaking. I'll come back a bit. So that's it there on the back of the drum. So basically I just cleaned it all up, put the drum back on, and then adjusted it up until there was a rub pump the brakes a few times, and if it's still rubbing, just back it off a notch, and then that was it. So yeah, all good. So that said, you need to do these adjustments with the handbrake as loose as you can, because you don't want to be pulling on the handbrake. So I don't know if you know, guys, the adjuster, ooh, sorry, I've gone upside down, is there. So we're right under the middle of the bus and behind the tank. So there's the adjuster. So that is now, I adjusted it up to give it a few clicks on the handbrake. So hopefully that's the back brakes done. So we're still rolling around under the bus, under the back. I've done the welding at the back. I didn't show you it because I'm just, sorry, I'm just an early get stuff done now. Can you see it? No, you can't. It's quite awkward to get to. So there it is there. I might be on light a bit, I think. Is that any better? Don't know. But there we are. There's a big patch welder on there. There's a tiny bit of surface rust there, but sort of between the seams. I'm going to put some Vactan on that just to eat it up or convert it. And then I'm not going to dress it at all. I'm just going to put some red oxide over it for now, just so the MOT can see that I've seam welded it. MOT man can see I've seam welded it, and then later on I'll put some bit more protection on it. Okay. Okay guys, I'm going to finish this video now. I think I've done everything I need to on the list. I'll just go through it. So we've got the near side rear chassis member excessively corroded, patched that over. Headlamp aim projected beam image is obviously incorrect near side. That was the wrong bulb, nice easy one. I put a new bulb in. I've tried to adjust it as best I can in the garage. Hopefully that's okay for them. Then we got the front near side cross member excessively corroded. That was that little hole, done that. And both suspension arm lower ball joints, near side and off side, replaced them. Also had to replace a wheel bearing, but that's no big deal there. So hopefully that's it. We shall find out tomorrow afternoon. It's going in for a retest. So again, wish me luck. And if you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up and please subscribe. Again, please ask any questions and any constructive criticism on my videos, please give me some. Okay, cheers then.